Hi guys, so I'll basically dive into my current skincare routine and I'm going to show you all the new products that I'm using as of now. Momsco, I'm sure you must have heard about it. This is the kit from Momsco. Now this comes with 3 products, but first let me talk about this cute little sweet pouch, like a travel case, and I could just carry my travel size products into this. And okay, thank you, Nia. So let me just show you what all I got in this. Is the natural Vita Rich face cream. I have heard a lot about it and I really wanted to give it a try. The second product that's in the kit is this, a natural Vita Rich under eye cream. This is made with coffee oil, vitamin E and B3. So this is something that you might want to try for your eyes. The good thing about it is it's very unique. Like, it comes with this little applicator at the top, so you just gotta pump the product out and just apply it in circular motions and just massage your eyes like a little mini spa session. I broke this bottle, like I dropped it by mistake the day it came, so sorry about that. But yeah, this is how it looks. This is the Momsco Natural Vita Rich Face Serum. So as you can see, my whole range is Vita Rich and I was really excited to try this range out. And I've been using it for past, I think, 5 to 7 days now. So I can't talk much about it as of now, but I'll definitely, share reviews with you guys on my IG or over my blog. So the first step that I'm going to do is...
Just asking my mom, can I do her makeup? So
yes, you can after some time though.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the natural daily face toner that I'm gonna use first. So this becomes the very first step. It's like the second step, tone your face. Okay, a little too much. And now just gonna lightly So you kind of lightly wipe your face with this. It's alcohol free, it's with vitamin C and niacinamide, and it smells divine. It smells so good, like I already love this. Too good. I need a candle and a perfume that smells the same. It's so good. Moving on, the second product that I apply is the Vita Rich Face Serum. Now the jar, I broke the bottle, so there's a dropper in here. So I'm going to collect some product. Face. Oopsie. And now what you do is you want to slightly spread it all over your face and then sort of, dab it. See that shine of the serum. Now one thing I want to talk about this before we drop this product is that I do not like how it smells. Like, that toner just made me fall in love with it, but I don't like how it smells. So
Can I smell?
I don't like the smell of this product.
Can I smell?
No.
Why?
I just really hope now that it works wonders on my skin, or like it's better for my skin, because I'm not going again because of the smell. Alright, so now I'm going to move to the next step, which is the under eye cream. I'm really particular about my under eye area, but I have also always mentioned that if you're sleeping well, you're taking a proper nap, and suddenly the weather has got out of control, like it's windy, it's certainly kind of a storm, and it's going to rain. I hope you can still hear me. Yeah, so about the eye creams, I've always said that it's not the eye cream that's going to do wonders. If you're not eating well, if you're not taking a proper sleep, and you're not drinking enough water, so you need to maintain all of those things along with an eye cream to get this. Like, I'm glad that I was sleeping well, like not more than 6 hours, but I slept well for the last 3-4 nights. So there are no dark circles, but when I don't sleep too well, I see them very prominent. Now, so about this reduces dark circles, puffiness and eye lines. Not sure about that since just been 4 or 5 days. gonna try it for another 2-3 weeks and then see. So now this is the thing here. I hope you can see that. I'm going to pump it out. This is how. Now when you pump it once, a lot of extra amount is coming out. So this is not the amount I'm going to use over for both my eyes. It's a lot. So we'll just, you see, you don't need a lot of product to look good. Now just that. I do apply some of the eye creams unless they mention on the top of my eyelids, and then I'm using that particular massager as Nia, get inside, because it has too much, you know, product on it. See, but this just okay. The eye cream is done. Let's move on to, you probably know, let's move on to the moisturizer. Okay, now so this says it's with vitamin C, B3, B5 and E and hyaluronic acid, and it is for anti-pigmentation. I do have slight pigmentation on my face, so that's the reason I use this, and it's even skin tone, and this is 25 ml. Let's see how long this goes really, but it's taking some. It has like a pump applicator. I think that's the amount I'm using. So now this moisturizer, usually moisturizer are, you know, like this semi, I don't know how to explain the texture, but this is too runny for me. I think like this is quite runny, but we'll do with it. Do. Okay, so my current skincare routine is done, you guys. Let me know if you liked the video, and also leave comments if you have tried any of these products before. Do let me know your review or your experience with it, and I will be trying them for a month and then getting back to you with the reviews. It's been a hell lot of time since I made a YouTube video, and I thought let me just start with showing you guys my present skincare routine. And yesterday was the first day of fall, though it's not fall here in India, but I do like to celebrate that. So what I'm gonna do is do a makeup look right after this, and check out the next video for that. Thank you for watching.
Bye.